Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with prerequisites. Install Opencv or have a built copy. Make sure CMake and a compiler are ready. Next, create a project folder and add main. CPP that includes Opencv2/Opencv. HPP and reads an image. This verifies headers and libs. Then write a CMake lists. TXT using find package. Opencv required. Target link libraries, and include directories so the build can locate Opencv. Once done, run CMake to generate build files, and prepare to compile with Make or your IDE. Now configure the build details. In CMake, link your executable with $opencv libs and set target include directories if needed. This ensures headers and libs attached to your target. If Opencv is in a custom location, set CMake prefix path or provide dopencv dir to CMake so find package succeeds. Make sure your compiler flags, C++ standard, for example std equals C++17, and ABI match the Opencv build. Once configured, run CMake build, or invoke make to produce the binary and watch for link errors. Finally, run your program and verify it opens images or camera streams, print CV, get version string, to confirm the linked Opencv version. If the executable fails to start, make sure runtime linker paths include Opencv libraries. On Windows, copy DLLs or set path. On Linux, set LD library path or run ldconfig. If you encounter undefined symbols or C++ ABI mismatches, rebuild Opencv with the same compiler and standard as your project. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.